Yesterday, the Fiji community celebrated Fiji Day with a round of sports at Niue High School and a feast after sports. Early in the morning, a flag-raising ceremony took place before the community headed to Niue High School. The day was organised by the Fiji Youth Group to unite Fijians in Niue, as well as Niuan families involved with the community in remembering Fiji's Independence Day. Fiji Day, 10 October, is the annual anniversary of Fiji's independence from British colonial rule in 1970, and without fail delivers cultural performances and religious ceremonies. Today we spoke to Pastor Joe Singh of what the day meant for him, and Pastor Singh said he felt the changing times in Fiji could only mean stronger lives for those who live in the country. It makes people more resilient and respect basic living, but watching Fiji develop from all the crises in the country in 40 years, it strengthened people. He also said he is happy with what is happening in Fiji with Commodore Bainimarama, but it is not seen as righteous by man, maybe because of the implementation process of its development.